Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. I am a subject teacher of social study and in our last video we have discussed about the harvest and new year festival, and in this video we are going to discuss about the national day. So student, let's have a quick overview on the harvest and new year festival. Harvest festival, we get most of our food from crops. We get most of our food from crops. So in India we celebrate the harvesting of crops. These are called the harvest festival and New Year festival. New Year festival, New Year festival, any of the social, cultural and religious observance worldwide, and they celebrate the beginning of the New Year. Such festivals are among the oldest and most universally observed. So student, now we will discuss about the harvest and new year festival. First one is Bihu. Bihu is the traditional festival of Assam and it is celebrated by the people of Assam. And Bihu is celebrated thrice in a year. First, we celebrate in January at first time, and we celebrate in April at second time, and we celebrate in October at third time. So these are the times then we celebrate Bihu. Onam is the harvest and new year festival of Kerala and it is celebrated by the people of Kerala. On this day, people decorate their houses with garland and pokalam, that is rangoli with flowers. Next one is Pongal, the harvest festival of Tamil Nadu, and it is celebrated by the Tamilian. This festival is celebrated over 4 days in January. It is celebrated continue 4 days in January. Look at the next. That is Baisakhi. Baisakhi is also a harvest festival of Punjab. It is celebrated by the people of Punjab. Look at the next, that is Lohri. In Punjab, people celebrate Lohri, mark the end of the winter and beginning of the spring. Okay student, now look at the today's topic, that is national days. National days is your today's topic. First of all, we will read this paragraph. There are some days that we celebrate together as nation. These are our national days. Important events in the history of our country took place on these dates. The entire country has a holiday on this day. We have 3 major national days. So student, a national day is a day on which celebration mark the nationhood of a nation or state. It may be the date of independence of becoming a republic or a significant date for a patron saint or a ruler. So student, the national day is often a public holiday and we have 3 major national day. There are 3 major national day in our country. First one is Independence Day, second one is Republic Day, and third one is Gandhi Jayanti. So student, now let us discuss about this national day one by one. Now look at the first, Independence Day. On 15th August 1947, India became a free country. Before that, India was ruled by the British for about 200 years. On this day, every year, people all over India host the Indian national flag. They also sing the national anthem. They also sing the national anthem on Independence Day. Now look at the next page. In Delhi, the capital of India, a grand celebration take place at the Red Fort. So student, On 15th August 1947, we get freedom from British rule and our country become independent from British. So student, so we celebrate 15th August 1947 as a Independence Day. It is celebrated every year on 15th August 1947 with great joy and happiness. And India become independent and India become free from British rule on 15th August 1947. Since then this day is celebrated every year. Okay, now look at the next. Look at the next national day, that is Republic Day. That is Republic Day. So student, first of all we will read this paragraph. We celebrate Republic Day on 26 January every year. In schools across the country, the Indian flag is raised and the national anthem sung. Members of the armed forces, folk dancer, school children and others take part in the Republic Day parade held at Rajpath in Delhi. Before the parade begins, homage is paid to the soldiers who gave their life to protect our country. So student, we celebrate Republic Day on 26 January every year. 26 January every year. Republic Day means the citizen of the country have the right to elect their leaders to lead the country. And Republic Day is a national holiday in India, and this day is celebrated on all the schools and officers by hosting national flag. A big celebration take place at Rajpath, New Delhi, and on this day people show and give respect to their soldiers who lost their life to protect our country. So student, Republic means the citizen of the country have the right to elect their leaders to lead the country. So student, look at the parade which is held at Rajpath, New Delhi. Look at this. These are the two pics that the pic show the parade. In this way, the parade is held at Rajpath, New Delhi on the Republic Day. Now look at the next national day, that is Gandhi Jayanti. So first of all, we will read this paragraph. Mahatma Gandhi is popularly known as the father of our nation. He worked tirelessly to free India from British rule. We celebrate his birthday 2nd October all over India as Gandhi Jayanti. So student, we celebrate 2nd October as Gandhi Jayanti every year. It marks the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi, because we celebrate his birthday as National Day because he fought and he worked tirelessly. He fought with Britishers. He fought tirelessly with Britishers to free India from British rule. And he also worked tirelessly to free India from British rule. So, we call him as the father of our nation. We call him as the father of our nation. So, we celebrate his birthday as a national day. We celebrate his birthday as a national day, and we celebrate his birthday 2nd October all over India as Gandhi Jayanti. So student, I hope you all understand about the national days. You all understand about the national day, and that's all. Thank you.